can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
In an attempt to make strapping yourself to an Italian superbike more comfortable, Aprilia offers what is essentially an RSV4, their peak performance bike, retrofitted with a more upright seating position and better ergonomics for long-distance riding. The Aprilia Tuono is the perfect bike for riders that want to experience Aprilia's legendary V4 engine with the added ability to enjoy long-distance riding that isn't hampered by an uncomfortable seating position. While the RSV4 is marketed as a violent track machine settled nicely in their 2022 lineup, the Tuono V4 is marketed as a violent track machine with a few comfort quirks. The Tuono V4 shares many of the same components found on the RSV4, such as the same 65 degrees liquid-cooled DOHC 1077 cubic centimeters V4 mill detuned with a smaller bore to produce a much more manageable 175 horsepower and 89 lb-ft of torque through its 6-speed transmission. Although the Tuono V4 benefits from a more comfortable riding position when compared to the RSV4, it is still quite aggressive, but not aggressive enough that it makes city riding and long-distance riding a far-fetched dream. The upright seating position paired with cornering ABS, pit limiter, cruise control, various rider modes, for both on and off track, make it a serious contender for riders seeking a machine similar to the RSV4 but with a more relaxed approach. Like the RSV4, many recent updates to the platform came in 2021 in the form of an updated swingarm and sturdier subframe for making passenger traveling a breeze. If the standard Tuono V4 isn't enough for you, Aprilia also offers a factory edition that brings an upgraded Brembo brake package and overhauls the suspension with an Ohlins NAX front fork and Ohlins TTX single shock absorber with piggyback managed by SmartEasy 2.0 electronics. The 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 starts at $15,999 Canadian dollars. The 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory starts at $18,995 $21,995 Canadian dollars.